Hi everyone, it's Graham here, and in this video I'm going to share with you a website that I'm a member of that you can join for free to make money online. And this is the sales page that I want to show you, and AJ, that's AJ, and he'll explain what this website's all about when you click the link below in the description to go to this sales page. I've joined this membership site. I think it's really good. Now, there are 3 steps to your real autopilot results. Step 1, get your link. Step 2, you go to one-click download funnels, and step 3, start making sales. The secret of making money online is a combination of having a good product with trending, irresistible offer, and it's a quick delivery method with these high converting funnels. Now below you I mean honestly, I've watched most of these, and the testimonials from people that use this software, and they're having really good results from it. So when you get inside the members area, what I want to do, because also look, you get a results video here, so it's proof of them making money from it. Yes, I've only just joined it, but I'm telling you about it because I think it's really good. Now, this is my membership site, and I got it from the Warrior Forum, Warrior Plus, and I've asked for, when I joined it, I asked for the affiliate link, and they gave it me, which is here, and this is how I can promote this, but I'm going to talk about that in another video. What I want to do at the moment is walk through you on the actual membership site, just to show you what it entails. So you get a welcome overview video from AJ, and then he tells you to go through the steps. So you just that's where I got my link from, my affiliate link. So you watch the video, and then you just click on the steps, click on to each video that talks you through how to get started. Now, the best thing I like about this membership website is the Facebook Learning, and I've set mine up now on Facebook. It's my normal profile page, which I've got here, and he shows you how to do all this sort of stuff. This is pretty cool, and engaging is important on Facebook, and that's what he talks about, and he shows you how to keep going. It's 15 minutes every day, and that's what I've done this morning, and now I'm doing this video, and this is what I want to show you. So if you're interested and you'd like to know more, you can get to this sales page by clicking my link at the bottom, and I just want to help you. You see, what you'll have immediate access to is high converting evergreen sales machine. It's 100% automated. Now that comes in from here. When you click this, this is where the business actually works for you. You start by clicking these links and have a look and see what you think. The best way and the only way you can do this is by joining the 14-day trial of Builderall. I haven't done this yet because I'm just using YouTube at the moment. As soon as I've got some money saved, I shall be clicking this and joining Builderall and then setting everything up. But what I want to do is for the likes of you that can afford to go further with this, you've got all these links here, and basically just have a look. I mean, you've got nothing to lose because you've got a guarantee money back from these, and you have anyway on the Warrior Plus website. So whatever transactions you make, you'll get your money back if you don't like it, and it's not that expensive. I'm trying to remember what I paid for this now. I didn't. Silly me, it's free. Silly bugger, ain't I? The most complete package tools and training for you to start making money today. If it feels it's right for you, then click my link below, and I'll see you on, and then you'll see AJ on the inside. All right, take care, and bye.